Hi, I'm Nunu, and welcome to Too New For You, or so it seems. Today I am going to be doing my Sewers Club March project. I'm so excited. Do you guys remember what the project looked like? Let me go ahead and remind you.
Previously on Too New For You, or so it seems.
So, here we go. This is the project. It's called the Harvest Pouch. And yeah, so they give you everything that you need to make the pouch. Here's the pretty fabric. Okay, you guys like that? Apples. You know, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. I love an apple. Oh, I love this fabric. Look at this. Oh, I love it so much. And they got stars on it. I love stars. You guys see that? So pretty. I love it. So pretty, okay? And then, of course, we have our zipper tape, okay? And it's handmade on the zipper pulls. I love that, handmade, okay? And then we have our interfacing. And then we have our Guterman stick. The unboxing. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to be making the product. So let's get into it. The first thing I'm gonna do is take out my pattern pieces. These right here, and I'm going to be transferring them to some paper so that I can cut them out.
But before I do cut them out, I do have to fuse together all the pieces of fabric along with the interfacing. So the first thing I'm doing is ironing together the fabric. I have it all pinned together, and then I'm going to be taking it over to the sewing machine, and I'm going to be doing my stitching on all the fabrics together.
This is going to be piece A. And then we need this piece here. I'm going to pin them in place, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut them out. Okay, so I went ahead and stay stitched all the way around on all the different ones. So now I'm just going to trim. And then we're going to set these to the side. And then we're going to work on the binding. Okay. Okay, so those are ready to go. So now we're just going to work on the binding. The binding is going to come from the rest of this fabric right here. Okay, and then we're going to cut it. Okay, then we're just going to join it together. So now I'm going to take the good side of the fabric to the good side of the zipper, and I'm going to pin it together. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do a basting stitch all the way down on both sides. All right, so we already did that. So now we're just going to separate the zipper. We are going to join the first panel with the zipper.
So here I'm just putting the pieces together, and voila, here's the finished product. Here's the inside of the bag. It turned out really nice, really neat. But the outside, I don't know. I ended up sewing it inside out by mistake. So yeah, the outside isn't that great, but I'm still going to show you how it turned out. I really like this project. And yeah, I would definitely recommend trying out the Sewers Club. It's an awesome subscription box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe for more. Bye.